Thunderbolt 5 is rocking now, folks, and there's so many products coming out, including what we saw here at CES 2026 from Plugable, the Thunderbolt 5 dock that they have that's got dual HDMI. It's $349. It's coming out in Q2 of this year. Here it is. So you can see it's got the upstream port there, 2 ports on the front, 2 USB-C ports on the front, 3 Thunderbolt ports on the back there, 2 HDMI, really fun stuff, and solid piece of gear. Like, hold it in your hands, and there it goes. $349 coming out in Q2. We are here at CES, filtering through the noise so that you don't have to. Make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and to our CES 2026 playlist here at Mac Geek Gab so that you don't miss anything. None of which would be possible without the help from our coverage sponsors. So thank you, thank you. Please send some love to them. And stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. Don't get caught. We'll see you on the next video.